Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're a marathon subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making apple and plum smoothie to cleanse your colon. Firstly, I'm going to prep all my ingredients. Okay guys, now that all my ingredients are prepped, it's now going to put them onto my speed blender. Okay guys, first goes in my plum. Next goes in my orange and apples. After that, my fruit and nuts. And finally, my milk. I will now cover them again for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my smoothie done. And I'll show you guys. Look at that. It is now time to be served. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and can help with cleansing your colon. Let me know in the comment section below which country you watch me from. As we go now, come to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.